What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Back in the garage today, going to give you an update on the 66 Mustang. I did a few things. First off is the new wheels. 17-inch mini lights from CJ Pony, 17 by 8 in the rear, 17 by 7 in the front. Also installed a aluminum radiator I got off eBay. It was only $100, so that worked out. And electric wire and an electric fan. The inside, I got the door panels on. I put a water temp and oil pressure gauge down there because I couldn't trust the one in the cluster. Also, new thing in the garage is the maxjax lift, which works great. See, it fits pretty well. I had to stagger it between the garage door opener and the rails right there. I can actually go up a little higher. Now I can do some exhaust work, make my life a lot easier. All right. Well, that's it. That's it for the update. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks.